welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get your license in Tennessee. So first of all, you go to Tennessee driver's license place and then you go to driver services online. After you click on here, you're going to see that e-services, there's driver's license knowledge test, there's appointments. Basically, we're going to take an appointment since most of you guys know what your guys are bringing. But if you want to know, you have to bring your social security, your completion of the ACEable or the iDrive safely test like that online educational system. Also, you need to make sure that your passport, your employment authorization card is with you. Also, you need an appointment to make sure that you are on there. So what you can do is you can click on driver's license and real ID appointment. And after you click here, you're gonna schedule a driver's license appointment, but make sure to bring the actual thing. So you need to bring your actual documents. And then after you click on there, you're gonna click on schedule an appointment. And after you click on here, it's gonna take you to any knowledge test appointment, driver's license appointment, or reinstatement appointment. So the driver's license appointment is not like the road test to get your driver's license, like the actual driver's license like by driving yourself. You need to get the road test. However, this is like the beginning, like you need to get your permit, like your driver's license. And yeah, so these are the locations that's going to be listed here. Make sure to choose the closest location and make sure that you're close to that location so that you don't become late. You click on book now, and then after you click on book now, it's gonna ask you to like fill out your information, and that's basically it. So that's how you get a driver's license. And let's talk about the things that you need to bring to Texas driver's license. I mean Tennessee driver's license. Items to bring. So these are the items that you need to get your driver's license. So you need to bring your proof of U.S. citizenship or legal presence, and I will provide this link in the description. If I don't, go to this website like Real ID requirements, and it will show you. So you need your proof of your social security number, two proofs of Tennessee residency, like your electric bill, your bank bill. It shows your address and your name, and that's basically it. And you need to make sure you bring the documents that are needed for the driver's license, like your course. Make sure to make a research about it, and that's basically it, guys. Make sure to be careful and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you guys in the next video. Thank you all so much.